The climate, the soils to grow Cabernets, to grow Merlots, to grow Chardonnays and Pinot Noirs, and more other varieties. But these varieties that are that make great France, no? Very, very famous region. And here we thought that if they have success, we can do the same to have the same success. For a period of time was good idea. But then, for a long term, it's not a good idea. Mm-hmm. One problem is that we have the climate change, so these varieties are better in higher altitude, latitudes. So in France it's higher latitude, and they have the climate change is everywhere, but a little bit slower there than here. So here we are suffering right now more than in northern parts. And the other thing is that with this problem of the temperature and the drought, we are seeing that the ancestral varieties, the varieties that were forgotten because of the market, because of the economics in those moments, and also because of the taste of these varieties that were a little bit strong, a little bit tough in tannins, a little bit higher in acidity, in some period of time in the 80s and 90s and the 2000, these wines were aggressive, were a little bit strong. And now people in the market, the customers, are open-minded. They want to discover different things, and this sensation that is acidic wine or with low alcohol, they appreciate now this. Mm-hmm. So it is the opportunity for us to show our personality as a wine region. So for this reason, we are changing the varieties that we copied to the French people for our own varieties. And which are these varieties? Sumol, that's a red grape with a lot of acidity, with a lot of stringency sensation, light color and light, so low alcohol and light body. Mm-hmm. So these properties as a wine in the past were like the worst, and now are the king, the future. Yep. And also these varieties resist a lot this drought and these high temperatures because they have difficulties to have higher levels of sugar. So the alcohol is very low, and they keep very high acidity. So it's perfect for this period of time that we have these temperatures. Then we have the same example with Malvasia, that you can do a sparkling, you can do sweet wine, rancio wine, a still wine. Well, you can do a lot of different things with Malvasia.